Last year I put a bunch of big rocks in this garden so that hens wouldn't get in there and scratch around. It's not really the time of year when I'm worried about it though. We're cleaning up my Tropicanas. It's nice when they're useful. They always look at me like, are you gonna yell at me? Are you gonna tell me no? Usually they're okay. Hi, Rusty. There's the cannas I did yesterday. I need a brown paper bag. Okay. Don't have much room in here. Really, seriously, don't have much room in here. But I'm looking for these trays because I'm putting heat mats down. I have one down on this side. Oh, I know where I could put this. I moved a plant from back here. It got too hot and it was all wilty. Alright, I need to change the timer on the light. There's a timer back here. I have to pull the end of the day pegs up and push some beginning of the day pegs in because the time is changing. This is the wilted one that I had to move from the back corner. I'm in a stage now where I can start cutting the peppers back. I'm harvesting the last couple peppers and cutting them back as I go, and then putting them on a heat mat on trays so the heat mat doesn't get wet. It's a process. I did not open that other gate. I must not have latched it well. The wind blew it open. I mean, it's windy, it's stormy. It's, the birds need to go inside. That's what I came out here for. They didn't get out yesterday, so they're not in a hurry to go back in, obviously. They're not concerned. I heard Tipsy crow this morning. He hasn't crowed in a long time. Tipsy's in the box. He's not well. Alright, all you guys don't belong in here. Let's get you out. Come on. Shoo. 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 Come on, out. Stuck in a corner, buddy. Yep, out. Come on, everybody out. Everybody out. Come on, let's go over here and we'll get a snack. Snack, snack, snack. Who wants a snack? Everybody wants a snack. Everybody's coming. Get everybody in, then I'll give everybody fresh water and shut the gates. She's calling you. Get in there. I'll give you some worms. I've been putzing around in the vegetable garden, so there's little scraps of this and that. Trim my turmeric. Turmeric's good for chickens. I don't give them actual turmeric, but I give them the leaves. So there's a ripe pepper on the ground. When I went to pull it off the vine, it was half eaten. I have a hole back here that I didn't know what it was, so I started pushing rocks in there. And it was ground bees. I did not see them. I'm used to plugging holes in here because there's always stuff in here. So anyway, I kept working. I planted this rosemary here. Then I started getting stung. Then I started seeing a lot of bees. That's not what I came in here for. Oh, those are dryer sheets. Online it said that they don't like the smell of dryer sheets. So I started watering really well, and dryer sheets are in here along the back wall. They don't like the water. They don't like the smell of dryer sheets. So this I put in here today. And then there's bok choy and lettuce. Ashwagandha. Lots of little sprouts from the greenhouse. And I found, I think this is kale. Could be broccoli. They're not producing their young, but they're mature young. Like they're stunted. So put them in here. This is ashwagandha. I don't see any seed pods on it, but I need one of my ashwagandha plants to put on seed. So yeah, it's coming along. I'm still getting peppers out of here. Just about finished. And then I'll either cut them down, or I think I'll cut them down instead of dig them out, because I've been putting so many small things in here. I don't want to disrupt the soil more than I have to. But I have more Swiss chard that I can put in here. There's other things. Here's the little evergreens I want to dot in. They're small, but the price was right, which is why I got 3 instead of 1. Usually I only get 1. I'll be dotting them in around here.